Hello, my beloved students. Thank you so much for watching our videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Why? Because every time I upload my new video about mathematics, you can watch right away. You will be notified and it's free. So if I were you, you have to subscribe now because this is for free and you will learn more mathematics. All the videos that I have uploaded in here from grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. Now, since it's free for you, do subscribe. And if you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and then comment down below. Okay, thank you so much. If what you want, for example, you want to learn more about mixed operations or combined operations or whatever topic in mathematics, just comment down below so that I can make a video for you. Thank you. Now, today you will learn new thing in mathematics and let me show it to you now. Ready? So for today's lesson, you will learn how to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction. It's very easy. Just keep watching this video until the end. Don't skip, okay? I will show you the step by step and I will give you some examples. Let's try. Are you ready? Let's do it now. Okay, let's go. Okay, once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo. So maybe your friends doesn't know my YouTube channel, so you can tell them, okay, this is my teacher, Teacher Gwapo, and then you can type in YouTube channel in the YouTube, and then you can search his name. If you want to learn more about mathematics, you can comment down below there, and then you can tell him, what, please, teacher, can you make a video for me? So today we will learn more about mathematics and we will focus on addition and subtraction within 1000. Okay, now here we go. These are the objectives that we have: to add numbers within 1000, to subtract numbers within 1000, to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction, which is that we are going today, and of course, to apply knowledge to daily life. Okay, now here, solving word problems involving addition and subtraction. Here are the steps to solve word problems. Step number 1, you have to read the word problem carefully. So of course, you must know how to read. If you don't know how to read, that's a big problem for you. Now, you have to read the word problem carefully. This is step number 1. And for step number 2, you have to understand the problem. After you read, don't just read. You have to understand what you're reading. Okay? It's like when you eat, you have to eat and digest so that you will get vitamins of it. Okay? Now here we go. Step number 3 and step number 2, you have to understand the problem. What do you know about the problem? Okay, that's how to ask question. What do I know about the problem? What is the problem all about? And what do you know? What do you know, or what do you need to find out in the problem? Okay, you have to find out what do we need to find out in the problem and plan the workings, of course, and decide what operations to use. Is it plus? Is it minus? Is it times? Is it divide? And step number 4, we will solve the problem and we will write the number sentence and find the answer. And step number 5, supposedly this is step number 5, we will check the answers. Okay, here, read the word problem carefully. Now, what is the problem here? A seller has 118 potatoes. He buys another 65 potatoes. Then he sells 52 potatoes. How many potatoes are left? Do you understand the problem? Now we have read the problem, and step number 2, this is the example number 1, okay? This is example number 1. So step number 2, we will understand the problem. What do you know about the problem here? It's about potatoes. How many potatoes? There are 118 potatoes, and then the seller buy another 65 potatoes, and then he sells 52 potatoes. So what do we need to find out here? What do we need to find on this in this problem? So it says here, how many potatoes are left? So that's the question. We will find out how many potatoes are left in here. So here, in step number 3, we will plan the working. What are we going to do? Is it plus or minus? Is it times? Now here, let's plan to decide. Let's decide now what operations are we going to use. So in step number 4, let us solve the problem. we will write the number sentence and find the answer. Now here, in step number 4, we will answer by using horizontally. Okay, horizontal, from left to right. That's called horizontal. So it says here a seller has 118 potatoes. Okay, so we will write here the number sentence. This is the number sentence here. So as you can see here, 118 plus 65. So this is the operations that we use here, plus and minus. 118 potatoes plus 65 potatoes minus 52. So look at the picture here. As you can see here, there are 118 potatoes. And then we will add 65 potatoes. So 118 plus 65 is equals to 183, right? If we will add these two potatoes, 118 and 65 potatoes is equals to 183 minus 52. So 183 minus 52 is equals to 131. Okay, so the answer here is 131. So in number 4, a seller has another example is 1. This is another way. This is in vertical. A while ago, here is horizontal. Okay, this is called horizontal, from left to right. Left to right. Now we will do it vertical. Okay, vertical way. So we do it this way. A seller has 118 potatoes. You can see it here. A seller has 118 potatoes. So we just copy this one and write it here. And then he buys, you can see it here, he buys another 65 potatoes. We just copy and write it here. So 118 potatoes plus 65 potatoes, right? So there are 183 potatoes. And then here, he sells 52 potatoes. So we will write it here. It's minus, right? So he sells 52 potatoes. So 183 minus 52 potatoes. And then now there are 131 potatoes left. Now the answer here is 131 potatoes are left. So this is the answer here. Now we find already the answer. How many potatoes are left? The answer, 131 potatoes are left. Okay, so that's how to answer the word problem. Now here, another example. This is example number 2. Let's read the word problem carefully. Okay, Eddie bought 156 vanilla biscuits and 273 chocolate biscuits, and then he gave them to 316 children. How many biscuits did Eddie have in total? And how many biscuits did Eddie have left? So in step number 2, we will understand the problem, and then we will try to find out what is need to find out in here. So do you know already the problem? You have understand the problem? So it says here, this is about the biscuits, vanilla biscuits and chocolate biscuits. And then he gave 316 biscuits to the children. Now in step number 3, we will plan the workings. Plus or minus, or all plus, or all minus. What is the workings that we are going to use here? Now let's try to decide what operations to use to find out how many biscuits did Edie have in total. So the key word here, you can see here the word total. Total, it indicates plus sign. Okay, total, it indicates plus sign. And how many biscuits did Edie have left? The word left here, it indicates minus. That means plus and minus. You can see the word total here, T-O-T-A-L, total. We will use a plus sign. And you can see here the word left, we will use the minus sign. So here we go. In step number 4, let us create, or let us write the number sentence and find the answer. Now here we go. Step number 4, first thing again, we will do it horizontally. When we say horizontal, from left to right, okay, from left to right. Now here we go. The workings here, we will write here 156. Why? There are 156 vanilla biscuits, so right here 156. And then 273 chocolate biscuits, we write here 273 minus the word gave here. Gave. He gave. That means he gave. That means minus. So minus 316. So there are, we write here, 156 vanilla biscuits, and then 273 chocolate biscuits, and then he gave 316 biscuits to the children. So from 156, we will add 273. We will add this together. The word total means to combine these two biscuits. So the total is 156 plus 273 is equals to 429. And then we will minus, because he gave 316 biscuits to the children. So 429 minus 316 is equals to 113. Okay, that's it. That's how to do it to solve the word problems. Now, as you can see here, the answer here, this is another one. This is vertical. As you can see the word here, vertically. Okay, vertically. A while ago, it's horizontally. So working 156, write it again. 273, we write it here. 316, we write it here. So it says here, Eddie bought 156 vanilla biscuits. We just copy and wrote it here. So we write here now. And then 273, and then we write here, Eddie bought 273 chocolate biscuits. We write it here. Just copy and write it here. So the symbol here is plus. So we will just add here. So in total, the word total again, it indicates the plus sign, as you can see here. How many biscuits did Eddie have in total? 429 biscuits. So this is the answer in the first question. How many biscuits did Eddie have in total? In total, Eddie had 429 biscuits. Clearly? Can you see it? Do you understand? Now we will try to find out the second question. The second question here is, how many biscuits did Eddie have left? Left? Oh, it's minus sign. So we will write here minus sign here. So if we will minus 429 biscuits minus 316 biscuits to the children, so the answer 429 minus 316, the answer is 313. So this is the answer. Okay. So the first answer here, before Eddie gave children the biscuits, Eddie had 429 biscuits, as you can see it here. And then the second question, how many biscuits did Eddie have left? After Eddie gave the biscuits away, he had 113 biscuits left. Okay, right? Now it's very easy. Now you understand that we need to use a plus sign if there's a word total and minus sign if the word left. So you must know how to write the number sentence. So as you can see here, 156 and 273 biscuits. So we will add together. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, God bless you all. Hope you enjoy this video. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you learned today a new thing in mathematics on how to solve word problems and how to answer word problems in mixed operations, combined operations. So there are 5 steps. Keep on viewing this video and memorize the steps. You have to read, you have to understand, you have to find out, you have to write the number sentence, and don't forget to check the answers if it's correct. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it to your friends and please do subscribe so that every time I have a new video you will be updated. Okay, it's free, okay, just subscribe and comment. If you want to learn more things about mathematics, just comment down below in this video. Thank you so much once again. God bless you all. Keep safe, drink more water, eat vegetables, do exercise, and sleep early so that you will stay healthy. Thank you. See you next time.